Roque during their travels abroad. Kasalukuyang nagbabakasyon sa Tuscany ang engaged couple na sina Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque. Sa biyahe nila mula Lugano, Switzerland hanggang Milan, Italy, karaniwan daw sa mga mabibigat na bagahe ay si Dominic ang nagbubuhat. Tumutulong din naman daw si Bea sa magagaang bagay. Pagbabahagi ng aktres sa kanyang Instagram post, Under the Tuscan Sun. We took the train from Lugano to Milan, and from Milan, we had to ride another train to get to Florence. We then rented a car and drove to Tuscany. Although I helped, Dom did all the heavy lifting and managed to drive the vehicle. We were happy to find out that the beautiful Hotel Villa we booked to stay in happens to be a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and we stuffed our faces with their handmade pasta and perfectly cooked bistecca under the moonlit olive trees. This will definitely go to my core memory. Ang kanilang biyahe raw bilang magkarelasyon ay naging susi upang matuklasan pa niya ang iba't ibang katangian ng lalaking kanyang pakakasalan. Wala man daw perpektong relasyon pero ang mga ipinapakita raw na ito ni Dominic ay lalo pang nagpapamahal sa kanya. Sabi pa ng aktres, "No relationship is perfect, but these qualities offset all the others. It's the little things that make me love him more." Heart emoji, #BeTravels. Sa panayam kay Bea sinabi nitong wala pa silang konkretong plano ni Dominic tungkol sa kanilang kasal. Aniya, "Nothing is concrete, obviously. We haven't really talked about it. Kami ni Dom, nangangarap pa lang kami. Nandun pa lang kami sa point na nagsesend kami ng mga Pinterest photos to each other, YouTube links, mga wedding videos. Yung ayaw mo muna na i-stress yung sarili mo sa mga pa-concrete plans."